Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Living Life with Leticia. And so today I am cleaning. Now I know I've got a yard tool inside the house, which is not what normal people do. I was using my blow dryer one day and to get something from under the bed, and it worked. And also all the dust and the bunnies and everything came from under there, under the beds and under the dresser. So I had a bright idea, which was use a yard blower, because the dryer was doing it, but just not enough. So this is what I decided to do. I find a lot of stuff that I've lost in the meantime, under the bed, behind the dresser, and this does it for me. I have really bad allergies, so I try to get rid of all of the dust and the accumulation of dust that appears in our bedroom for some reason. But this city is a dusty city. I've realized that. Every time you open the door, you bring in a lot of dust, but I love opening the door for fresh air. And my bubby complains about that too, but that's just me. But anyway, I am changing my linen because I do this at least once a week. Again, I have bad allergies, and so I don't need anything that's going to stir up these allergies or allergens and make this nose start dripping. So this is how I clean. This is what I do. I only do the blower maybe once every 3 months or so, and that gets rid of all of the dust, the hair, the whatever has accumulated under the beds. It's a lot of storage underneath the bed, so we keep things under there. So this is what I do. And if you guys like doing it or would like to see your home as clean as mine, try it. You'll like it. Take a tip from me. I tried it. I liked it. But anyway, this is what I do, and I'm going to follow up with the push broom. Then I'm going to follow up with the little vacuum. So I'm going to make sure I got all the dust that I could get from in this bedroom, because we spend a lot of time in here. And this is supposed to be your sanctuary. This is where you rest. This is where you sleep. This is where you enjoy your mate or a significant other. And you don't want it to be dusty, dirty, or dingy, or any of that. I want it to be as free as with dust as it can be. So therefore, I do this. You'll see me step on whatever that was. It was not a bug, but anyway, I'm paranoid about that too. And our beds. I wanted to mention that. We have the Tempur-Pedic adjustable bed. Now, this is a king-size bed, but I have 2 extra long twin-size beds or mattresses, and then we have the adjustable sides for both, because I like my side up a little bit sometimes. He doesn't even move his side at all. I think he's only lifted his feet or head maybe a couple of times since we've had these beds. But I like it. It helped with my the recovery of my knee. I think it did a lot of of what I could not do with just a regular bed. It helped me to at least get comfortable while I was in bed. So that's just a little bit of what's going on in this room. I hope you guys stay blessed, be blessed, clean your house, do what you need to get rid of that dust. Now I can go out and play and enjoy the rest of this day.
Hey, now. Get it then.
Got a stick too.
Shove it and shove it.
Rolls.
You guys be blessed and be a blessing. And you're stronger than you think. Deuces. Bye.